What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So we have seen a drop today for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and almost Ethereum have hit almost our target 1250 area, and also for Bitcoin, as expected based on the previous stream, as what we have discussed in the previous stream, Bitcoin right now is on its way to retest the major support. And let's check, because in the coming days there will be an FOMC announcement about the latest rate hikes. So this is something that we need to watch out, and we need to set expectation in what are the possible moves for Bitcoin and Ethereum in the coming days. So let's check what is happening with the overall crypto market. We have here crypto bubble. Celsius negative 4.3%. We have Quant positive 2%. We have Luna negative 1.7%. Remember guys, remember that we have, Do Kwon have an arrest warrant right now. So Luna or Luna Classic right now belongs to the community. There is no developer that handles Luna or Luna Classic. So are you going to continue holding Luna, or are we shorting it to the ground? What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you going to continue supporting Luna now that all the developers and Do Kwon is wanted by the authorities in Singapore? Let's check the fear and greed index. Can I close my long positions now? If you are in the VIP technical privat, I've sent my updates there in the announcement section. Fear and greed index in the extreme fear, still in the extreme fear level. So if you're going to check, guys, this chart here, every time fear and greed index reaches this level, this is the best financial opportunity here. Once the fear and greed index reaches below 10, that will be the greatest, best financial opportunity. You might wonder, why are we checking fear and greed index daily? This is very important, because once we have reached this one, this could signal the possible bottom and also possible best opportunity to invest in Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins. Let's check the long and short ratio here. Mostly are in short position right now. Welcome to the live stream. We have technical privat and Wondering 134, our previous winner of the $10 giveaway. So long and short ratio here, we have a 5-minute time frame. Almost 65% are in short position. So let's check, guys, the higher time frame, so we can position ourselves in the coming days. So almost 50-50 in the 4-hour time frame. Let's check Ethereum, almost 50-50. Lower time frame, mostly are in shorts right now. We have also Muhammad Saeed watching the stream. Welcome guys, thanks for joining me today. I have noticed that every time the crypto or Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin drop, our viewers are not interested in the market. But this is the best time to be in the market, guys. When the market is crashing, this is the best time that you need to be in the market, not when the market is pumping or we are on a rally. Why? Because this is the best financial opportunity. Every time crypto or Bitcoin or Ethereum drop, this is a signal to buy or to invest or to DCA for long term. Right now, below 19,000, I think this is already one of the best financial opportunity, not a financial advice, but 19,000. Imagine if Bitcoin goes back to 60,000 in the coming years. 22, 3, 4, 5. 3 years from now, you can easily make your money 3 or 4x. I think that's a good deal compared to putting your money in a bank. Not a financial advice, but at this level, I'm starting to DCA. I'm starting to DCA in Bitcoin at this level. Remember, I've told you previously about Ethereum. I've bought Ethereum sub 1,000, sold it at 2,000. I'm waiting right now to reaccumulate Ethereum. Matic, I've bought Matic at 0.4 cents, and I've sold it at 0.96 cents for Matic. So almost I have 2x my investment in this past few months. So right now I'm looking to reinvest in Ethereum, and also I'm starting to DCA for Bitcoin and the rest of my favorite altcoins for long term. We have also Yami Sumardi. Welcome to the live stream. We have Mauricio, short it to the ground. Absolutely. We have also Ivan Ivanov. Hi from Batvanko. Oh, I think we had a good trade today. Batvanko. I think we had a good trade. I've shared my position earlier in the VIP. I think Ivan have joined me in my Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, and ADA trade. Very good trade indeed. 5x for Bitcoin. I've closed, by the way, I've closed all my position, guys. 5x for Bitcoin, 4x for Ethereum, 2x for Polkadot, and 70% for ADA. I've closed all of them. Just to give you a quick update. All right, so next, here is something that we need to watch out. Bitcoin to $14,000 to $15,000. Ethereum $750 next. A mix of on-chain and technical. And by the way, guys, before we proceed, let me show you one video. If you have been watching, if you have been following me on this channel, let me share with you one video, because I have kept on repeating to short Ethereum on the day of the merge. And right now, if you have shorted Ethereum, you must be sitting on a very, very, very good profit. Let me show you one video, because I remember exactly how I repeat myself daily to short Ethereum. I will be shorting Ethereum on the merge, on the day itself. Sell the news. So let me share with you this very short clip, guys. For Ethereum, let's sell the news. Sell the news. Let me repeat the video. Let me repeat the video. To sell the news on the Ethereum merge. Sell the news. Let's sell the news. So we haven't seen yet. Sell the news. 50% sell the news during the Ethereum merge. Sell the news. I will be selling the news for Ethereum. Let's sell the news. Sell the news. I have sell the news for Ethereum. Right now, I am selling the news. Right now is the day of sell the news. Ethereum short to sell the news on the Ethereum merge. So that was a compilation of the previous video. How many times I have kept on repeating myself to short Ethereum, guys. Short, sell the news. So congratulations to those who have watching the stream, and to those who have shorted Ethereum. Congratulations. I had almost 3,000% when I closed my position at 1744 area. Congratulations, guys. So our target has been hit for the Ethereum short. Let's finish this news first before I give you some update about the chart and what will be the expectation in the coming days, and for the FOMC rate hikes announcement. Bitcoin to $14,000 to $15,000. Ethereum to $750. We have Zachary Nahi. Welcome, guys. A mix of on-chain and technical indicators. This is too loud. One sec. Indicators further hints at an imminent price crash in Bitcoin and Ethereum market. So this will be their target based on the on-chain and technical indicator, guys. 14,000. This is in confluence with my possible bottom price. If you haven't watched my video about possible bottom date for Bitcoin, check it out on my videos tab. First, the Bitcoin spent output age band 10 years, which tracks spent BTC and bundles them into categories depending on their age. Show the movement of more than 5,000 BTC on September 4. MACD user at on-chain analytics platform CryptoQuant argues that this is typically bad news for the price of Bitcoin. If holder, which held BTC in its 7th year, moves more than 5,000 BTC, there could be a strong downtrend in the future. The verified user wrote, stressing the indicator showed signal 7 in the past and fell 6 times except for 7th of February 2021. The fact that long-term holder moved the BTC means that there will be an unusual price movement. So I have seen several price movement or transfer of funds or transfer of BTC from a known wallet back to exchanges today. Several whale transfers, huge amount of BTC, millions of dollars from external wallet moving to exchanges. One reason for that is to sell, and we have seen that before prior to the Ethereum merge event. That is why I kept on stressing to sell the news for Ethereum. So now this will be the target: 15,000, 14 to 15,000 for Bitcoin, and $750 for Ethereum. So this is the chart, guys. They have here Bitcoin US dollar 1-day chart, bear flag, and the target's 14,000. This is in confluence with my Elliott wave 5 target. If you have watched the previous stream, I have kept on explaining that we still have the missing wave 5 for the daily time frame for Bitcoin, and for the, if you're going to zoom out the chart, we still have a missing wave 5, and my possible target will be around 14 to 16,000. That's my possible bottom price for Bitcoin, and also the date is near. For Ethereum, we have here a symmetrical triangle, and the target for this is around 778. So let me show you my chart and let's compare this analysis to my analysis. Alright, so that's for the news, guys. Let's move on to chart request and also with the chart updates. Rate hikes, by the way, biggest Fed rate hike in 40 years. 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. FOMC announcement happening on Wednesday. That is September 21. Write it down on your reminder. September 21, there will be FOMC. Double check the date. As far as I remember, it's going to happen on Wednesday, September 21, 2022. Biggest Fed rate hike in 40 years. So, Fed rate hike sledgehammer in focus. The main event of the week comes in a form of Federal Reserve decision on key interest rates after the CPI or Consumer Price Index prints for August came in hotter than expected. The Fed will be under pressure to respond. As such, the market now fully priced in a minimum 75 basis point. So, expectation is 75 basis point hike for the Fed fund rate, and it's not discounting the chances of 100 basis point. So, if you don't understand 75 basis and 100 basis point, this is bad news. So, once you see announcement of more than 75 to 100, that is bad news. We are going to sell once the report or once the announcement from Fed comes out. Okay? Not a financial advice. Let me give you a quick disclaimer before we proceed with the chart. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. Alright, so let's proceed. Let's proceed with the chart, guys. So these are the things that you need to keep in mind. Fed rate hikes happening. Tools as of September 19. So rate hikes will be on September 20. Federal Open Market Committee FOMC is due to meet on September 20, 21. Happening on Wednesday. The announcement will be on Wednesday, September 21. Watch out. Visit their website at, can't remember exactly, fed.gov.us something. Just check it out. And we'll check if it's above 75 to 100 expectation. We short the market, not a financial advice. Let's proceed with the chart. So S&P 500, as expected, traded or dropped below the support, and right now we have seen a bounce from this area here. Let's check. I think this is going to be rejected depending. Right now I think the market is going to wait for the FOMC announcement on Wednesday. That's happening 2 days from now. So if you are not in a position right now, if you're not in a long or short, I think the best position right now is to wait for the announcement and to wait for the next market direction before entering into a trade. But based on technical analysis, we have here a falling broadening wedge. This is a bullish pattern, but right now this is looking very bearish because this price here, or the price of S&P 500, is hovering below the support. So possible price action in the daily time frame. Check out or watch out for the daily candle close. If this closes below this support, so we might see a possible price action like this. But if this closes above the support, then we might see a possible price action like this. Let me delete the previous one. You see, guys, this was the previous price action here. S&P 500 got rejected from this resistance trend line, directly hit our target, and right now trading below the support. So next possible price action for S&P 500 will be these two arrows here. Let me share this chart in the VIP Discord, where I'm sharing most of my trades and also some signals and technical analysis and trade setup. So let me update our chart there. We have S&P 500, SP 500 chart update. Let's proceed with Ethereum. Ethereum, guys, we have a long position here. For Ethereum, not a financial advice. Let me delete this. This is for the VIP, not for the general public. But as discussed in the previous stream, we have a rising wedge pattern here. Target of the rising wedge is 1,440. We have seen a bounce and another rejection here post Ethereum merge. And during the Ethereum merge, we have seen a sell the news event, and we have seen a drop from 1780 directly dropping into our target near 1,250. So what was the lowest point today? 1276. So this will be my first target here. I'm expecting a bounce on this area because this was the previous resistance, right now turned into a support. We haven't seen a retest yet, but we have seen a bounce here near the zone support. So I'm expecting a good long position at around 1250, 1240 area, and just set your stop loss just below this candle wicks here at around 1175. That will be the best risk to reward ratio for Ethereum. But long term, I'm still expecting a possible wave 5, similar with Bitcoin, guys. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, possible wave 5 at around this area, possible wave 5. So my possible wave 5 will be around this support, guys, here. Let's check the Fibonacci level retracement. So from here, Fibonacci extension. Let's use Fibonacci extension. So this to this to this. So to around 793. This will be the possible. Right, let me delete this. Possible wave 5 and bottom price for Ethereum. All right. So this will be my possible bottom price and target for the wave 5 for Ethereum. But in the coming days and weeks, we might see a bounce here based on technical analysis. If you're going to consider FOMC announcement, then that's a different story, because that is based on the overall economic and macro events that is affecting the price of riskier assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the crypto market, guys. So for short term, I'm expecting a bounce here and possible long position near the support zone support. So it's around 1250, 1240, and possible bounce until 1438. We have also resistance here. This two white line will serve as resistance at around 1340 to 1360 area. All right, so that's for Ethereum. Let's check BINX, or have we checked Bitcoin? Let's check Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, again, you see here, this is the same chart that I have been watching for several months now. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possible wave 5, long term, around November to December. If you're watching this right now, I have posted, or I have shared a separate video about my possible bottom price and possible bottom date target for Bitcoin. I've explained why or how I came up with this possible bottom price target and possible bottom date target for Bitcoin. Feel free to check it out in the playlist in the video tab. So here we have the major support. Similar to Ethereum, guys, we have seen a bounce from Bitcoin here near the major support, but haven't touched really the major support. Below this orange line, key level support, daily candle close below the orange line means bearish for Bitcoin, but if this daily candle closes above the key level support, then we might see a possible bounce. If you have watched the previous stream, we have a short position here in the 1 hour time frame. This was the previous short. That's what we have discussed, guys, in the previous stream. So previously the price of Bitcoin was hovering at around 19,000 last week, and as what we have discussed, I'm expecting a short entry point near this zone resistance area here. Exactly, Bitcoin got rejected from this area, and we have seen a massive drop in the 1 hour time frame, drop to almost touches the major support here, but didn't really hover near the major support. But I'm expecting long-term price target to revisit the support, and at around the last quarter of 2022, I'm expecting price to hit the wave 5. We have Elliott wave here, wave 5 target, and possible bottom target for Bitcoin will be around $16,000 to $14,000. That's my personal bottom price target. So if you have been following me on Twitter, last 2021 I have spotted 30,000 as the bottom, went all in 30,000, sold at 65 and 45,000. Right now I have, previous month I have bought Ethereum at sub 1,000. Bitcoin average is at 18,500 to 19,000. So right now I'm looking at buying Ethereum when we go, or when we hit my possible price target for Ethereum. I will start to DCA soon, and I will announce it on Twitter. I will post my long-term buy order for Ethereum and some of the altcoins. I'm starting to DCA right now for Bitcoin. I've bought some today at around 18,600 level, to around this area. I bought some Bitcoin today, so I will start to DCA below 19,000. I will start to DCA up to possible wave 5 target. I will start to DCA. My selling target will be 2025, so that's 3 years from now. So that's for Bitcoin, guys. I'm still expecting a possible revisit here, just if the rate hikes will reach above 75 to 100. I'm expecting a sharp drop below 16, 17 up to 15,000. Sharp drop if rate hikes, or the rate hikes reaches above 75 to 100. So above 75, I'm expecting a sell-off in the riskier assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the altcoin. So last can we check BCH? Last chart here is BINGX. This was my previous short entry here. Looks very bullish here. We have bullish candle in the daily time frame. We have seen a bounce from 138. So possible I'm expecting to short BINGX at around this area, guys. This is high risk trade, not really a recommendation. I don't usually trade high risk, but this will be my possible short here. We have a candle wick up to 175, so the risk is very high because this could still do its previous price action here and possible wicks up to 175. So my short entry point will be somewhere here within this zone, this blue area here. This will be my possible short entry, guys. So watch out. I will not be setting a limit order for BINGX, but if I will be able to spot the price hovering at around this area above 170 is already a bonus, but around this area will be a good short area from 160 to 167. Stop loss just above 175 because we have a candle wick up to this level here. 176 will be safe. So that's for BINGX. Let's check. We have Suham. You're late. You need to face the whiteboard. Let's check BCH, last chart before we end the stream. Also watch out for HNT. I think one of the strong movers today. HNT. We have also Luna Classic pumping back to the previous short entry point here. Let's check. This forming a symmetrical triangle. It looks like a symmetrical triangle here. Possible short. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. Oh shit, we are a little bit late. We are a little bit late. We have like symmetrical triangle here. Huh. This should be a good short in here. Possible good short. Stop loss. Let me check how many percent is this. Very risky. High risk, but you can also set stop loss here. Let's check. %, but from this point here, 6%. Let's check the RSI. Over. High risk. A little bit of high risk here, but if I will be able to catch a bounce here at around this area, just very quick, guys, because 1-hour time frame, we have resistance here in confluence with the 200 moving average. This could be a possible good short position entry here at around 0.00311 up to 318. So this will be possible good short here. Stop loss, if you want to minimize your risk, just set your stop loss around this area, but it would be better if you can set it here. So 8%, 6% from this area. So around this area, this will be my short entry point here. Right? So that's for Luna Classic. We have a symmetrical triangle. Let's see, maybe this could break out to the upside, but stochastic RSI is already in the overbought area, similar with the 4-hour time frame, almost approaching the overbought area here. And also this is in confluence with the 200-day moving average in the 1-hour time frame, in confluence with the resistance trend line. So possible short entry 0.000311 up to 0.00318. So that's for Luna Classic. Let me just share this to the VIP. Lonk Luna Classic, high risk entry. And let's check BCH. Last chart for tonight. Is this right? XRP is pumping. BCH, long time haven't checked this chart, but this got rejected 4-hour time frame from the 200-day moving average here, exactly near the 200 moving average got rejected. Let's check the Fibonacci retracement. Possible short at around this area here. Possible short entry. Let's check the 1-hour time frame. Let me delete this over exaggerated. Let me delete first all of this. So we have a previous support here, but looks like a breakdown already, considering this support line here. Looks like a breakdown. So possible sec. So this looks like a breakdown already. This is high risk, possible, because this looks like a breakout to downside here. This looks like a breakout to the downside, possible retested support here. So this is the daily time frame. Possible good long, just to be safe, guys, to be safe. Support, we have this one as a previous support turned into a resistance. All right, so in the 1-hour time frame, stochastic RSI approaching the oversold area, so be careful also with shorting this. In the 1-hour time frame, this is looking rejected. Looks like this got rejected from the previous support, turned into a resistance, and as what you can see, looks like a breakout, a retest of the previous support, turned into a resistance. Next target will be around 96.79. This could be a good support and long entry point, guys. So we have here a support. We're going to check the left-sided chart. We have tested this 2 times. So next possible target for BCH, also high risk, short entry point here. Let's check the Fibonacci retracement. So safer, possible short within this area. All this yellow lines here, this will be possible target for the bounce before heading to the next support here. 4-hour time frame in the oversold area, stochastic RSI, but in the 1-hour time frame, this is already in the overbought area, and looks like it got rejected from the previous support, turned into a resistance. So that's for BCH. So Cambis Cafe, when do you guys expect Ethereum to fall to 750? How about ETH? Just check, guys, the previous video. Today we have discussed S&P 500, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BINGX, and BCH, one of the chart requests here. So let me share this to the VIPs. This is high risk trade. High risk trade. I'll just share it here. BCH chart request during live. Right. So I think that's it for today. If you have enjoyed this video, if you have learned something today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.